Hi everyone, I am Anand Krishnan with my friend Mohammad Asif of class 9 from Bharath Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Tengasi. Our project is automatic bike light indicator. Let me explain. In our country, many two-wheeler riders don't turn on their indicator while turning. This could lead to accidents sometimes. So, our idea is to make automatic bike light indicator using ADXL 345 accelerometer sensor, Arduino LED buzzers and touch sensor. Accelerometer sensor detects static and dynamic acceleration on the movement. So it can detect the direction of the movement. So this sensor is placed near the front wheel of the two-wheeler. The two-wheeler turns left or right, it will detect the sensor. It detects the signal and send the signal to the controller.
Here, the touch sensor acts as a brake and clutch. If the person wants to turn left or right, first he'll slow down the vehicle using the brake and clutch. The sensor will detect the brake applied or not and send the signal to the Arduino to enable all the hazardous blinking light. Then, the rider who is coming back will be alerted by seeing this. If a rider wants to turn left or right, first he will slow down the vehicle and turn to the left turn the handlebar to the left side and the sensor will detect the direction and send the signal to the controller. The controller will enable the left side on and the right side off. If the rider wants to turn right side, then he will turn the handlebar to the right side and the sensor will detect the direction and send the signal to the controller. The controller will detect this. The controller will enable the right indicator on and the left indicator off. If the rider wants to go straight, he will leave the brake and clutch. So the sensor will send a signal to controller to off all the hazardous blinking light. This is our own idea designed to reduce the road accidents. Consider this is a brake. Consider this is a handbar and this is a brake and clutch. See this is the front indicator and this is the back indicator. If the rider wants to put brake, he will apply the touch brake and clutch. The indicators will be on. If the person wants to turn left, he will turn the handlebar to the left and the left side indicator will be on and the right side will be off. Then when he is going straight and applying brake means every indicators will be on, and if the person wants to turn right, the right side indicator will be on and the left side will be automatically off. This is our project and let me do it again. I am pressing the brake, every light is on and I am turning to the left side. The left indicator is alone on and I will turn to the right side. The right indicator is alone on. This is our project. Thank
Thank
you.
you.